So if you basically see, it's told in the problem 1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity, which means cube root of 1 is nothing but 1 omega and omega square is told in the problem. Now then the roots of this equation, cubic equation, is dash dash and dash. So what we'll do, we'll divide this equation by 8 throughout. Is it okay? Divide by 8. So I'll be getting x minus 1 the whole cube divided by 8 plus 1, that is equal to 0. X minus 1 divided by 2 the whole cube, that is equal to minus 1. Okay. So I can say x minus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 by 3, cube root of minus 1. X minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus of cube root of 1. Correct. X minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, cube root of 1 is 1 omega omega square. So it is minus 1 minus omega square. Correct. So x minus 1 will be equal to minus 2 omega square. So x is equal to minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 omega plus 1 minus 2 omega square plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 minus 2 omega plus 1 minus 2 omega square plus 1, or I can also write it as minus 1 minus 2 omega 1 minus 2 omega square. These will be the three cube roots. Minus 1 minus 2 omega 1 minus 2 omega square. This will be the answer to the question. Do you get it?